From objecting to our national song Vande Mataram to glorifying Tipu Sultan, one such case has come in from Maharashtra's Malegaon that has made one thing about the Congress's frame of appeasement. It all started with the portrait of Tipu Sultan on a wall of a Congress ally and a newly appointed mayor of Malegaon. Her name is Shane-e-Hind Nihal Ahmed. It was put in her office, a move which triggered upon leaders cutting across the party lines and forced the municipal corporation to remove the picture on the wall. However, when asked about the removal of the portrait, Malegaon Deputy Mayor claimed that it was due to repair work and not because of pressure. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Rucha, who's been tracking all the details. Rucha, in fact, the photo of Tipu Sultan on the wall has led to a massive controversy, with in fact what we are seeing that leaders across the party lines are coming together to condemn this. Take us to what has happened in the last 24 hours.
Well, initially the controversy was only limited to putting a photograph of Tipu Sultan, a portrait of Tipu Sultan inside the Malegaon Municipal Corporation by the newly elected Deputy Mayor Nihal Ahmed. She suggested that it was her party workers who had gifted it to her, and that is why she had put the portrait there. But later, while talking about the controversy, Harshvardhan Sapkal, who is the Congress president of Maharashtra, he compared Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan and mentioned that both leaders, both great Rajas should be looked in similar lens, because Tipu Sultan only followed what Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's ideology was about, making a Swarajya, making own kingdom. And that is what has now triggered a new controversy in Maharashtra, where the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also condemned the statement made by Harshvardhan Sapkal and has called the Congress party should immediately apologize for comparing Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan. And now the Maharashtra Congress has shared a video of the former President of India, Ramnath Kovind, in the Parliament, where a few years back he was talking about Tipu Sultan. He was praising the work of Tipu Sultan. Now, the Congress party is suggesting that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who is misleading people on the issue of Tipu Sultan, and they are only doing the politics over this.
Absolutely, and the Congress party is in dock here. Stay on with us. Not to forget, Malegaon Deputy Mayor also referred to Tipu Sultan as a freedom fighter. Wading into controversy, Congress State President Harshvardhan Singh Sapkal, as my colleague mentioned, linked Tipu Sultan and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, claiming that both embodied the ideals of bravery and freedom and must be treated equally. Now, this statement has been condemned by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis has said, and I quote, "Sapkal must be ashamed of the comparison." And meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party has trained guns at the Congress, calling out the alleged vote bank politics. Listening.
जो कॉर्पोरेटर्स थे उन्होंने मुझे ये सप्रेम भेंट दिया और उन्होंने ये लगा दिया, और वो लगाने पर मुझको कुछ ऐतराज नहीं है, क्योंकि टीपू सुल्तान जो हैं वो हिंदुस्तान के फ्रीडम फाइटर है, ये सब ने माना है। यहाँ तक कि उनकी तारीफ सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान ने नहीं, ब्रिटेन ने भी की है, जिस वक्त वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से लड़ा करते थे।
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं शौर्य ज्या पद्धतीचं आहे आणि एक स्वराज्य नावाचा त्यांनी जो ज्या पद्धतीने एक विचार दिला आहे, अगदी त्यांच्याच मांडियाळीमध्ये त्यांच्यानंतर त्यांच्या बऱ्याच कालावधी लोटल्यानंतर त्यांचा आदर्श घेऊन टिपू सुलतान यांनी इंग्रजांच्या विरोधात कुठेतरी लढा पुकारला होता. आणि त्या अर्थानं टिपू सुलतान हे एक शौर्य गाजवणारे एक योद्धे होऊन गेले, एक भारताचे भूमिपुत्र होऊन गेले. त्यांनी कधीही कुठल्याही विखारी विचारांना त्यांनी जवळ केलं नाही. तर एक शौर्याचं लक्षण म्हणून टिपू सुल्तानांना आपण शिवाजी महाराजांच्या समकक्ष बघितलं पाहिजे.
हजारों हिंदुओं को कत्ल करने वाला टिपू सुल्तान, वो और महाराज, इनको एक समान आदर दिया जाए, इस प्रकार की बात अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है तो वोटों के लालच में ये कितने भी जूते चाटे, महाराष्ट्र और देश इसको सहन नहीं करेगा, हम इसको सहन नहीं करेंगे।
वोट बैंक की राजनीति में कांग्रेस पार्टी कितना गिरेगी, मैं जानना चाहता हूं उद्धव ठाकरे जी से, मैं जानना चाहता हूं उनके जो अलाय पार्टनर एनसीपी शरद पवार जी से, कि क्या इस प्रकार की तुलना की जा सकती है एक हत्यारे, एक हिंदू विरोधी के साथ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की तुलना? क्या ये संभव है? इसके लिए कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए महाराष्ट्र के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष पर।
Well, this is not the first time that Tipu Sultan has been glorified, from Karnataka government observing Tipu Jayanti in 2018 to AIMIM events in 2022 as well. To protest over desecration of the portrait in Raichur, the controversy has surfaced repeatedly. Let me take you through the details when Tipu Sultan was glorified in the country. Karnataka government in 2018 had observed Tipu Sultan Jayanti, and that had led to a massive controversy. Let's take you through another case. In fact, 2022, AIMIM of Owaisi had held a Tipu Sultan event in Hubli in Karnataka. Then in Raichur, protest over desecration of the portrait that took place last year only. And number 4, let's tell you about more instances. Congress Mantri credits Tipu, not Vadiyar, for the KRS dam. That also happened last year. In Mysuru in Karnataka, Kannada, as far as they are concerned, Tipu Jayanti jointly was observed, and that also happened in 2018 as well, and this one happened in 2023. So this is not the first time that, in fact, a controversy has erupted over this. There have been many such cases, and we told you about Karnataka government observing Tipu Jayanti in 2018. We have a breaking update coming in as far as Tipu Sultan controversy is concerned, and now AIMIM Chief Owaisi has waded in. He has hailed Tipu as a martyr. He has said Tipu martyred fighting Britishers is what he has said. So Owaisi has said, and I quote, Tipu Sultan was martyred fighting the Britishers. Tipu did not write love letters to British as Veer Savarkar did, begging for forgiveness and promising to do whatever they said. Listen in to what he said.
1999 में टीपू सुल्तान की शहादत हुई, अंग्रेजों से लड़कर टीपू की शहादत हुई, जेल में बैठकर टीपू तुम्हारे वीर की तरह 6-6 लव लेटर नहीं लिखा अंग्रेजों को मैं माफ कर दो, तुम जो बोले मैं करता हूं। टीपू तलवार लेकर अपने मुल्क को अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराने के लिए शहीद हो गया, और अंग्रेजों को टीपू से इतना डर था कि 1.5 घंटे तक टीपू की लाश पड़ी रही। अंग्रेजों की फौज के घेरे में टीपू की लाश है, मगर डर रहे थे कि अगर शेर उड़ गया तो क्या होगा। जब जाकर देखे तो टीपू का जिस्म गर्म था। क्या ये बात सच नहीं है देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब कि टीपू की लाश के पास?
For more on this, let me once again bring in my colleague Rucha. Rucha, now this go beyond the Congress party. Now AIMIM Chief Owaisi has also waded in this controversy. He has called Tipu Sultan a martyr, saying that he did not write love letters to Britishers, drawing a comparison between Veer Savarkar and Tipu Sultan. Take us whether any reactions have come in on this.
Well, this is clearly a similar line which Congress is following for years now. How Congress party calls Swatantraveer Veer Savarkar as Maafi Veer, and now AIMIM leader also saying the same line, repeating that Tipu Sultan did not write love letters like Swatantraveer Savarkar did to the Britishers. He only fought with the Britishers and martyred while fighting against the Britishers, and now we are seeing this kind of statement coming where Tipu Sultan is being called martyred. And additionally, he also mentioned in one of the books of APJ Abdul Kalam, where he had written about the rocket technology, and he has held APJ Abdul Kalam lying in his book, because he said that in Wings of Fire he had mentioned that the technology was found recently, but it was Tipu Sultan who had first found the rocket technology. Now, the scientists are being questioned. Tipu Sultan is being called martyred, and in similar line as the Congress party for years now, Swatantraveer Savarkar is again being called Maafi Veer by the AIMIM leaders, and this has now triggered after a portrait of Tipu Sultan was placed in one of the municipal corporations of Maharashtra, of Malegaon, where the deputy mayor says that she only put it because she was gifted it, and now we are seeing the entire controversy going all over again back in the days of history of the India, where the question is now being raised whether Tipu Sultan was a martyr, whether he was someone who actually made any contribution to the India's freedom.
Absolutely, and even though that photo has been taken down from Deputy Mayor's office, this has now snowballed into a major controversy. Congress party linking this Tipu Sultan to Shivaji Maharaj, and AIMIM now linking him to Veer Savarkar. So it remains to be seen how the Bharatiya Janata Party and the other parties have to react on this. Stay on with us, Richa.